Our next composer is the Polish composer Frédéric Chopin. Mr. Chopin was really well known, famous for great piano music. However, he had some health problems. He had difficulties with breathing. And when things were getting really bad at one point, his doctor said, go south. Go south where it's dry, and your problems will certainly dissipate and maybe even go away. So Mr. Chopin went south. He started composing, and what happened? Started to rain. Not one of these big rainstorms like with Mr. Beethoven, but rather this constant drip, drip, drip. How many of you during the summer have wanted to go out and play, and you're looking out the window and you hear this constant dripping of what? Rain on the windowsill. That's what Mr. Chopin heard when he was composing. And it was so aggravating to him that he started writing a piece where in the left hand, because this was a piano piece, he would have this constant rhythm of bum, bum, bum. And those, of course, were the raindrops. So I'm going to ask our cellos and bass to play the bottom part, the left-hand part, and you'll hear this constant rhythmic that just doesn't change. So could you hear that bum, 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 the constant dripping, the dropping? Now we're going to play this as an orchestra piece. But as I said before, it's a piano piece. And those of you who are learning piano, practice really hard. And so you can play this piece. It is so much fun. You can have fun with the left hand making the dripping and dropping and the beautiful tunes on the right hand.